Hey everyone, I'm James from Zen Systems, and today we're going to take a look at creating a video conference using the 3CX web client application. This can either be done as an ad hoc conference, or we can schedule a conference and send out invitations to our attendees, including a calendar invite that contains all the relevant information on how to join the conference. So let's see how we do it. Within the web client, we want to select Schedule Conference on the left-hand side. Now, we're going to start off with just doing an ad hoc one, but they both fall under the same setting. Although there is the ability to start a conference immediately by pressing the web meeting link, which I will show you in a second. So click on Schedule Conference. We're going to go Video, and we're going to select Now. We'll call it Video Call. Just put the same details in here, and we're going to select the web meeting profile. You have the choice between web meeting and webinar. And under calendar, I use Office 365, and we're going to select that, and then we're going to hit create meeting. What happens when you hit create meeting is that it opens up your Office 365 as a tab, and it then has the invite here. Okay, so when you come in, you'll see that the invite has named itself Video Call, which is what you put in. Currently no attendees invited, and it's obviously got today, and it has set the time for 5 to 5:30, which doesn't matter because we're going to jump it straight into this one. You can see in the body of the message that it's got a whole bunch of information, i.e. the link to join the web meeting, and if you want to dial in, you can dial 700 and still join it as an audio conference, and then there's a PIN number for that. So to invite people, you simply start typing email addresses that you want to join that video call. And then once you've done that, hit save. It'll send out all your invitations, and you can then go back to the web client. Now in the web client, you can either click on the link here to join the meeting, or you can, as long as you've selected the right video call, you can select join here. That will immediately open up a link, and I'll show you that right now. So if we just click on that, that then opens up the video call platform, and you can see that it says that I'm John Smith and I'm getting ready to join the video call with the following settings. So you can see here that I can toggle my microphone off before joining the meeting. I can actually toggle video off as well before joining the meeting, or both. And over here on the right hand side, there's some additional settings. So I can actually choose which webcam I would like to use, or which microphone I would like to use, or which speakers that I would like to use when using the video conference. You can actually test these settings before going in, and when you're ready, click done. And then to join the conference, we just click join now. So another option for creating a video call is to schedule a video call. So we're going to click on the plus button here, and we're going to select video, and we're going to select later. When we do that, it gives us a date. So we'll set it for tomorrow, for example. We're going to change the time to 4 o'clock exactly. You can actually adjust these times in 5-minute increments using the up and down arrows. And then we're going to use PM, not AM, and we're going to set it for 30 minutes. We'll give it a quick title, our video call. I'm going to copy that, put it into the notes. And the web meeting profile, we're going to select web meeting, not webinar. And under calendar, we're going to select Office 365 because that's the calendar, that's the solution I use. You could choose Google, or you can use Outlook Online or iCal. And the other option is 3CX direct email. But we're actually going to just do it through the Office 365 setup. So when I do that, create meeting, that's then going to open my Outlook tab. It's going to open the invitation. And I then have an option. You see it's already given the title video call scheduled. It has incorrectly set the date for the first, so I'm going to just change that back to the second. And the time is set from 5 till 5:30. And then you can see here in the body of the message are all the joining instructions for whoever it is that you want to invite to join this video call. The next thing to do would be to add your invitees and just enter your email addresses there and save the event in your calendar as you would normally. So you can close that then, and then what you can see here on the left hand side is we've got video call scheduled May 2nd at 4 p.m. and that is when that will take place. And again, if you want to join from here you can, or you can click the join now button from up the top. You've still got the conference ID as well, and people can join to dial into that conference using 700. So I just want to show the difference between the video conference scheduled using the 3CX invite email. So let's choose tomorrow. We'll choose 4 o'clock, 30 minutes. We'll call it video call. And then down here, we're going to change this to 3CX direct email. Now, this allows me to add people within the phone system. So these are direct extensions. So you can start typing an extension number and you can see here that it gives you a list of people that start with 2. I'm going to go 201, Michael Williams, click on that one, 202 and William Brown. You can see here that those have now been added as participants underneath. When I select create meeting here, that is now going to send those invitations directly to the emails attached to those users, and they will then be able to join that meeting by following the link in those invitations. So, thank you so much for taking the time to watch the video today. If you want to see any more content from us, hit the subscribe button. And if you've got any useful feedback, stick it in the comments.